Hi. And welcome back. In this video we will continue adding web layer to our project. Let's get started. Spring WebFlux supports two types of programming model for the web layer. First, annotation-based with controller annotation, REST controller annotation, and the other annotations supported also with Spring MVC. Second, functional endpoints, Java 8, Lambda style, routing, and handling. Annotation-based controller. Spring WebFlux annotation-based model use annotations to express request mappings, input, handle exception, and more. It has flexible method signatures and do not have to extend base classes or implement specific interfaces. Functional endpoints. Spring WebFlux includes a lightweight functional programming model in which functions are used to route and handle request and contracts are designed for immutability. It is an alternative to annotation-based and it runs on the same reactive core foundation. Now, we will start with implementing the first programming model, the annotation-based model. Go ahead and create a new controller package, a class called product controller. You see that warning, field injection is not recommended. Field-based injection should be avoided whenever possible because it has many drawbacks, for example, not allow immutable field declaration, tightly coupled with dependency injection container, and the class is inherently hiding this dependencies to the outside world. So, we will replace that with constructor-based injection instead. We can also replace the constructor with Lombok library, all args constructor annotation instead. Add a get mapping that return a list of product. Add a post mapping that have a product as an argument and return a saved product. Add a get mapping that take one path variable of type string and return a product or 404 not found if product is not existed. And add put mapping for updating the product that take one path variable of type string and have product object as a request body. Return the updated product or 404 not found if product is not existed. So, we first find the product by ID, then update name and price, then save it. Create a HTTP status OK to response or 404 not found if product could not be found by that ID. Next, add a delete mapping with product ID as a path variable. We first find the product by ID, then delete it if found, or return 404 not found. That's it, we have covered all database CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. Now, let's run the project and test our HTTP endpoints using Postman. First, let's try it with a GET request. And find by ID. Let's try out update, delete, and save operations. That's it, we have had the implementation of annotation-based programming model. We have tested our endpoints using Postman. Next, we will add the functional-based endpoints. But, until next video. Thank you for watching, see you.